Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can upload music in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the create option in the main menu. And then from here at the top, you're going to see the option that says audio. We're going to click on that. And then from here, we have two options. We can either upload or we can record. So if you already have a file that you want to upload, then you are going to go ahead and select upload. But if you just want to record straight into Suno, you can do that as well and still get some pretty good results. But with the upload, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you can see here that this is going to allow us to upload any song that we want. So let's go ahead and we'll use this one as an example. And then you can see here, it's going to give us the option to save. Now we're uploading the clip. And if you want to go straight into a cover of the audio, then you can do that, or you can extend it. I usually just go to save to library and then go to the option that I'm looking for from there. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to hit save to library. We'll let that finish uploading and then we'll hit continue. And there you go. Now we have our song and it is uploaded and ready to go. And then from here, you can either click on edit, or we can click on the three little dots over here and then go up to remix edit, and we can do a cover. We can extend. We can use styles and lyrics as well. This is pretty similar to cover, but with using styles and lyrics, you're going to be just not really doing too much. Like here, you'll see that you have this option here that says style influence. So this is actually key. So if you see here style influence, okay, that's great. But if you go over to the cover option, then you're going to see that you have an additional option here, and that says audio influence. So I find myself using the cover option more than anything, because with the audio influence, what this does is you can turn this all the way up or all the way down. I usually turn this up quite high. Sometimes I dial it down a little bit, but usually I start with 100% if I want the song to sound as much like the original as possible. And I have uploaded my own songs and have gotten some really nice results, like basically just kind of remastering your songs. And this is something that Suno can do for you. So what I like to do for my own songs is I like to up that up to 100%, and that maintains the song as close to the original as possible. But if that's not important to you, then you can dial this up or down. But I find myself not using the styles and lyrics options all that much. More often than not, I'm going straight for the cover option. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral. I can personally vouch for this. It's a fantastic deal. Simply Financial is a fantastic bank and comes highly recommended.